2002 Winnebago Adventurer for sale in Windsor, Colorado 80550. Spread your wings and fly with this 2002 Winnebago Adventurer. This Class A motorhome is 35 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Chevy Workhorse Gasoline engine matted with automatic transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 awning, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a leveling system, Captain's Chairs. With only 33,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Winnebago will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2002 Winnebago Adventurer is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include 3-burner stove/oven microwave side-by-side fridge /freezerice makersink DinetteTable /ChairsOne Slide out in bedroom 1 slide out in living room generator loaded HitchAutomatic jacks LevelersGreat TiresFull closet 2 televisions nice roomy bathroom queen bed sofa bed turns to queen bed entrance to driver's seat very clean never been smoke or pets inside and so much more. This 2002 Winnebago Adventurer is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Winnebago Adventurer is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2002 Winnebago Adventurer.